We are on our way to go look at this 10,000 square feet tri-level compound on 40 acres with a helipad. Someone actually sent this to me on Instagram. Initially, I didn't really care for it. Obviously, it's a very unique property. It's very beautiful. However, it's a little bit out of the way. It's actually an hour away from Sacramento. But as time went by, I kept on thinking about it. And then as, I looked at the listing, repeatedly look at a listing, I find myself more drawn to it each time I look at it. And the last draw for me was that in the property's detailed description, there is a helipad on premise on this 40-acre property. I always wanted a property where a helipad is located, and I wanted this house to be secluded so that I can get to anywhere, around me within, 200-mile radius, 100-mile radius fairly quickly, but I want to be secluded where it will be hard for people to get to me. Does that make sense? And then this property, it checks all the boxes. We're just going to look to see if it makes me feel a certain way. Does that make sense? Listing price, they just dropped it at 3.2. The architecture is very unique. It has a lot of elements that I love. You'll be able to see it.
We have 150 mile visibility, and Tahoe is straight ahead. And what's beautiful is that it's like an ever-changing landscape. So depending on the season, like right now it's tan and green, but then in the winter it's like light green and dark green with different colors, and it's just beautiful. And then the fall, you get the fall colors. So it's really gorgeous.
Do you guys get snow?
Every once in a while, hardly ever though. Maybe once a winter, or not at all.
Got it.
Yeah. And then here we have 3 waterfalls here. There's 3 waterfalls on the other side, and there's 3 that come out of the house. You got a Baja shelf here, Caribbean shelf bar here. And then we have a swim-up bar here. It's quite the entertainer house. That's such
This is cool.
Wow.
Like little surprises.
I know, there's a lot of
Oh my gosh.
This is great. And then it's right next to the kitchen. There's 2 doors. And that's the beauty of liquid doors. They're not cheap, but they're really wonderful. And they're known for their mammoth wheels. They've got these mammoth wheels, and so they're easy to push in and out. They're super light.
I might have found something. We're designing on one of our properties. We're designing this exact layout.
Oh, nice.
Or without the post. Like that was my specific request. And I think we just found the brand.
You found the brand for the door. This is a pizza oven.
Wow.
It's a commercial pizza oven, and it can cook 3 large pizzas at one time. This is an entertainer space, so it's nice and deep. You can put lots of things in here. If you're entertaining, nobody sees them. And then we have an induction cooktop here, which is really nice. And then this is a custom-made glass backsplash. This is a glass artist. I have a counter up there too. So
Just 1 piece? 2 piece?
They're all it's all custom made. Like, so there's 1 piece here, 1 there, there, and 1 on each side, and then over there. And he even matched the switch plates. So I love this backsplash. Tons and tons of storage. I designed because I like to bake. So I like smoothies. So this one is a pull out. another pull-out from my
That is so
smoothie.
cool.
Sorry about my little smoothie. It's a little push under here, and you could put no one would even know that's there.
Wow.
You could put like jewelry in there. No one would even know to look, or safe in there. No one needs to look because it blends. You don't even know it's there. And then we have double warming drawers, double convection oven. This is a convection microwave, and I love this finish on here. I saw this finish and I said, oh my gosh, it's so unique, and it's called oil bronze. Although it looks so kind of coppery to me, but I loved it because it was different. Because everything's either stainless, brushed stainless, black, white. That's all you get. That's your only choices. So I saw this, and it's at night when the light shines on it. It looks really pretty.
I've never seen anything like
Isn't this
that.
great? No
Yeah.
fingerprints. This is a huge island. It's all one piece of granite. So
Wow.
I love this space, and it's just, again, very, very zen, very peaceful, and you can hear it throughout the house. You can hear the water, and it's just a really nice place. You can meditate here. It's just really, really special place. And it kind of breaks up the space as well, so it's got this little nice touch to it. And then over here is the gym. Lake view. So I made sure every single room has a view. Like, it has to have a view. So even the toilets have a view. So this is the sky bridge. This is a really beautiful architectural feature of the home. And I saw this in a magazine that was really low to the ground. I'm like, bring it up! Make it dramatic, you know? And so this one's kind of cool because you can see the lake. And then you just turn your head, and it's like a totally different landscape. Here you have rolling hills, and here you have like a mountain. And so it's the master suite. Closet, so it's huge. Everyone has a different wardrobe.
Right.
So it's very personal. It's really huge. Like, it just keeps going and going. And I love it. I said, I want a big closet. I'm gonna do this. This is we're coming into the ladies' bath. So this is the toilet room. So this is the ladies' bath. And here, this is one of my projects. This took me forever. This is a glass mosaic that I did, and I just love it. I love how it turned out.
Yeah, that's great.
Thank you. No one really notices this. I have to point it out. But, and then the mirror, that's all bronze tile around the mirrors. And then this is a custom glass countertop. This is made from the same artist that did the backsplash. So he's really good. So I love this. He's got the really edge.
That's like depths.
Yes.
Oh, this is so cool.
Isn't this great? This is from Kohler. I liked it just kind of, again, kind of the water, ice, kind of. This reminds me of ice, but
Yeah.
these are so great because they're so big. I just love that. It's big and so cool. So that's really nice. And I made sure that it's glass. Did you see the shower?
No.
Go check out the shower. It's another whole room.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that great? It's got 13 shower heads. So you can have like any showering experience that you want. So I love it. Like, I love this.
You get tired after taking the showers.
And here we've got a kitchen, a kitchenette. So And you might see some wires like this. I pre-wired in case somebody wanted to do under cabinet lighting, or there's also wiring up there too. I kind of, well, you know, one of the things I did is I pre-wired everything. So you can do as much as you want with it. You can like automate this house. This also has American clay. And this is actually 50 million year old stone. So it's from a company called Green River Stone. And those are real fossils. It's real, truly 50 million years old. So I love this part.
This is awesome.
Isn't that great?
Oh my god.
These are actual fossils.
They're real 50 million year old fossils. Yeah. It's from Green River Stone, and they quarry it in Wyoming. Apparently Wyoming used to be underwater 50 million years ago, but and they can make whatever you want. Like I have an art piece that I haven't put up, it's still in the crate, and then I gave them the template of what I wanted, and they make whatever you want.
Nice.
Yeah. Toilet and a shower here, again 2 shower heads, of course, floor to ceiling. I really liked this tile, and I was like, oh, I didn't know what it's gonna look like, and I saw it, I'm like, oh, I really like this. And these little bronze medallions you'll see in the ladies' bath, in the little toilet area. You can see it here, you can see it in the kitchen.
Yeah, it's out of the kitchen.
Yeah, I call it jewelry for the floor. The view up here is spectacular. It's so beautiful.
Wow.
Isn't this great? This is the guest house. Yes, the guests love it here. This has 6 shower heads. So 6 on the ceiling. Only 6? You skipped on this one. So there's 4 there. This is nice and big. It's good for like if there's anybody ADA for side transfer, and that's also the master bath is the same way. So a lot of bathrooms are ADA, but they don't look ADA. You know, they just.
Oh, that's very inclusive. I love that.
Yeah. Really blocks out a lot of light, so people love this one, and it's just this wonderful. It stacks really, you know, small. It's Hunter Douglas. This is all the wire that comes in.
Wow.
Yeah, we had fun in here a long time ago, but so he's leaving it here. He said, well, I'll leave it here until the house sells.
All right, so hey, tell me what you guys think about this property. Would you purchase it? Would you live in it, considering that's an hour away? Or would you buy it, use it as a luxury Airbnb? There's actually 2 units, the guest house and the main house, right? Like, what would you do with this property if you were to do anything with it? Would you buy it? It has a helipad though, so you can fly to, you know, Sacramento International Airport and San Francisco and Lake Tahoe and all the surrounding areas in like 10 or 30 minutes. So that's really, really convenient. We need to work on a couple things. Number 1, price. I'm not arguing over the quality. I'm saying price at this very moment in time is questionable and needs to be adjusted. Also term. I'm wrapping up a couple deals right now. Once these deals close, there's enough cash to do a 1031 into this. I need timeline, a longer time frame to close. And also I will want the place fully furnished the way she had it. Is because I'm not going to live there initially. I'm going to do short-term rental, so I just want to use all her furnishings, all her designs, to do that. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and follow us on this journey to see whether or not we did anything with this property. All right, cool. See you guys next time.